Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Break Time. Not long till Christmas now, yippee! Let's dance our way over here to find door number 10. So I have found it, it's up here in the corner. Let's open you up and ooh, we've got a chair and a table here to do some cookies, and Stephanie's got her baker's hat on and she's going to help roll out the dough. Remember, we had the mixer yesterday, so this is great. So we've got our dough and now we can roll out our cookies and decorate it, and my favorite teacups there. We'll start with this little chair. Very simple, but perfect for Emma to sit on. You wait there, Emma. We are going to put this table together because we are going to roll out some cookie dough or biscuit dough and make some yummy bickies for Christmas for all of us and for Santa to have. So there's a little biscuit and the teacup on here. And now I have to do this rolling pin. So I really had to look at these instructions for this rolling pin, so I got it right the first time. We're putting this little cylinder thingy here and a stud, open hole stud, and look, that even spins round. So we need to put this little clip here to put our little rolling pin on. And here comes Stephanie, and she's rolling out the biscuits for me, and I found one on the floor. It's okay, 10-second rule people, 10-second rule. 15 sleeps to go everyone until Christmas Day. So I will see you tomorrow for door number 11.